How to replace a Human Touch Super Novo 2.0 main PCB. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver to complete this procedure. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Next, using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 4 screws that secure the rear shroud to the chair. Remove the shroud from the chair, turn it clockwise, then rest it on the floor behind the chair. Now, using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 3 screws that secure the PCB cover to the chair. Lift the PCB cover, then disconnect the safety sensor connector. Pull up on each back corner of the PCB cover to detach it from the chair, then remove the PCB cover. Now, remove the 11 red connector locks. Pry the lower edge of the lock outward to release it, then pull up on the lock to remove it. Disconnect all of the main PCB connectors. Next, using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 4 screws that secure the main PCB to the chair. Remove the PCB from the chair. To install the new PCB, first place it into position with the row of blue connectors on the left-hand side. Next, replace the 4 screws to secure the PCB to the chair. Now, reconnect all of the connectors, matching by size and color. Replace the 11 red connector locks, making sure the connector lock tab covers the connector release tab and that the connector and the connector lock sizes match. Note the slots on the PCB cover and the corresponding tabs on the chair. Lower the PCB cover slots onto the chair tabs, then use your hands to confirm that the tabs are installed in the slots. Next, lift the cover, then connect the safety sensor connectors. Replace the 3 screws to secure the cover to the chair. Now, place the rear shroud into position, making sure no cables are pinched between the shroud and the chair frame. Replace the 4 screws to secure the shroud to the chair. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.